What's up, guys? Hope you guys are having a good day. Second week of trade recaps. Today was another green day. I've been on a little streak, I guess, 5-day win streak. Last Wednesday I had I made like $1, but I will take the dollar. So 6 days green, which is good. I'm very happy about that. Today was a very weird day. Not really. It was just really slow, honestly, guys. I'm gonna explain a little bit more about the Qs. Qs move sideways all day. We're overall bullish on the day, but literally, I haven't seen the Qs honestly base this tightly in a pretty long time. So today was just barely any movement. Still managed to make above $1,400 today. I will take the result. Again, didn't really have too many losses today. I guess I had about 100, I guess like around $250 in losses combined. I don't know, some quick math. But my winners were pretty good. Made about a little over $1,000 on the BYND, and then around $500 on the Neo. So other than that, guys, I think these are the two main trades I'm kind of going to go over. The rest, this one was four. Sorry, I had a $90, 86, 41, and 39. So they were all pretty small losses. I don't really think we need to go over those. They were scalps. I was just trying different things, pretty much probably with around 4K shares. So if you guys didn't know, the sizing kind of works where it's like if you go 4K into a stock, if it moves 1 penny, you will lose $40 or make $40. So for example, if you go in 7,000 shares, if it goes up a penny, you will make $70, and if it goes down a penny, you will lose $70. So this one was probably about 10K shares maybe. This one was probably 4K is probably 8K shares. This one was probably 4K shares. You guys get the gist of it. But yeah, without further ado, let's kind of jump right into the video. Alright, guys, these are going to be the trades that we are going over today. Main winner today was the BYND. Like I mentioned, the snap was just my biggest loser today. It was $100. So I'll just go over that as well. And then the NIO, you guys cannot see, but I will bring it up over here once we go over the BYND. So starting out, we can go over this BYND. BYND was a gapping play today, guys. Obviously, you guys can see on the daily, it was at 664, at least as far as I can see, about a year ago. And today, you guys can see what it did. It kind of gapped up in price today. So we had a little bit of bullish momentum, especially after this little move. It kind of looks very, very weak within these candles. So this bullish momentum kind of gave me a little bit of insight on kind of what I thought it was actually going to do. So pretty much today, this was a great play. Ben, one of the coaches, actually called this out today, and I pretty much took his call out. So not bad, definitely a great play. I can show you guys where I kind of played it. I played it all day literally as a scalp, but this thing was a very, very great scalp. Ben made what did Ben make today? Ben made around, I think, $7,000 or $6,000 on this BYND, and he made $2,000 on like some miscellaneous other stocks. So craziness. So he got in like a lot more size than me. I'm personally just still getting used to getting in size, especially with these stocks that I don't really know. But he got in a little bit more, so he played a little bit more aggressive, made a little bit more when things work. So when we played this, guys, we played it pretty much over the highs around 103. So around right around here, guys. We got in, moved in as a scalp, took profits here, kind of waited for the pullback off the on the 20 MA. And started to pull back up, and we kind of kept playing this, guys. You guys could see. I'm gonna zoom in on the 5-minute right here. So green candle, like five or six continuous green candles, and then it goes red. It barely moves lower, by the way. It bases pretty much. So that pretty much shows overall bullishness because we are trading the stocks, and we want stocks to move all day. Obviously, this stock happened to move all day, which is good. But the main winner, or I guess the main move that we really caught our eye, was right above 125, guys. 125 was a very, very good point. You guys can see if this daily resistance right here around 125 on the daily, you guys can see this candle on the daily. We always look at daily as well, but you guys can see once we smashed through that, we pretty much rallied. So we broke 125, and you guys could see green, huge candlesticks, by the way. So it moved from 25 to 40 pretty much. And if you guys don't know, that is 15 cents. So think about it. If you get in 30,000 shares, I'll pull up the calculator. If you guys can see, 30,000 shares. So which means every cent it moves, you make $300 times 15 cents. 300 times 15, you would have made $4,500 off of that move right there. So, put in perspective, what Ben did was pretty much did, exactly that. Caught that whole move, and then again, it rallied up a little bit higher as well, and he caught that as well. I personally was using around 23,000 shares, I think. So, again, I didn't make as much, and I also didn't play it maybe as good as him. So, but again, I still made $1,000. I will take that result any day of the week. But yeah, that was the main winner today. Not a bad play, like I said, guys. It did end up rallying again, and after, I guess, around 2 p.m., I didn't end up playing it. There was a bunch of chops, so I just didn't play it at all. But you guys can see it doesn't get any easier than that. All green, pretty much, candlesticks. So we're not worried about the flips and everything. Let's go over the Neo, which was my second winning trade. I'm going to put it over here. Made about $500 on it, guys. What is going on with my mouse? Today, I caught this little move lower, guys. It was pretty simple. It got called out and called this at 707. It looked really, really lower off level 2. Market actually started to come in a little bit. Barely anything, but you guys can see market was starting to come in a little bit, and we ended up taking that as a short, and I made about $500 on it. So not bad. I think it moved around 5 cents, 10 cents, 9 cents, or around like 7 or 8 cents. So made about $500 on that. And then my loser today was just a scalp, like I said, snap. Tried it as a scalp. This was on my watch list, so figured I'd just try it. Didn't really work out today, so barely traded it. I think this was literally just one flip. So after that, barely traded anything else. But yeah, pretty much only traded today for a little bit of time. Actually, this Neo looks very interesting off of the chart. Look at this, guys. On the 15-minute, I'm giving you guys some sauce right now. Very bullish. This looks very, very bullish. Typically, when we have a move higher, guys, and it kind of bases, it's a very bullish move. So, potentially, this might be good tomorrow. So, make sure you guys watch tomorrow's video and see if I catch this Neo at all. But yeah, that's going to wrap up today's video. Again, I think I made about $1,400 on the day, so I would definitely take it. I'm going to post this right now to Instagram. It's a little late of a video. It's around 8. It's 8:15 right now. So, I'm going to post this to the IG. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I am happy to be back and full. I feel like I'm very committed. Last week was 6 posts. This week I got my 5 recaps last week as well, and then today starting strong. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys really do enjoy these videos. If you guys have any questions or anything in the comments, leave them in the comments and I will definitely answer them. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of your day.